Hurricane season is finally over. Wow, but not before we saw 20 named storms, 7 hurricanes, and 3 of those became majors, which is Cat 3 or higher. Now that ranks as the 4th most named storms. So it was very active. Now, most of it was out over the ocean. That's pretty typical for an El Nino year. They go further out to the east. It's not typical to see that many, though, during El Nino years. Unfortunately, the one hurricane that did make U.S. landfall was Idalia, brought all the storm surge problems to us. I do want to thank you for trusting our team through the storms.